Hello, hello, hello. No, this is not a Knit Crate video because we all know the sad truth, Knit Crate has left us. But what this is this is Miss Amber. Miss Amber from Foster and Crochet sent me these beautiful boxes, which I'm so happy about because I love the Knit Crate boxes. I use them for everything. And there towards the end, when Knit Crate was sending us our stuff, they were just coming in plastic bags and we weren't getting the beautiful boxes, which was part of the appeal. So I'm ever so happy. So I'm considering the box part of my present. Okay, so what's going on? Why did Amber send me a present? Miss Amber and I, as you know from last week's video, we're doing a gift exchange last year, but it didn't happen. Well, it's happening now. So each and every Saturday in the month of March, you get to watch us open these cute little, not quite a gag gift, a step above a gag gift, a very thoughtful, intentional gift giving. We each went to our very own dollar store and looked around and found some things that we just knew that other person needed. We were very surprised after a conversation to find out that the dollar stores carry different stuff. And I hear you guys often talk about how you find yarn at your dollar stores. We do not have yarn at our dollar stores. And that's what started this whole thing. So each of us went to our respective dollar stores and shopped and got presents for the other person. So she's doing videos, I'm doing videos. And once a week, we're going to open a week's worth of dollar store presents. Now, she's much more clever than I am. I just wrapped mine up, put them in numerical order, and shipped them off to her. She put them in these adorable little boxes, which she knew I was going to love. And then she put a poem, an actual poem inside each one. Show offs. So an actual poem inside each of these boxes. And I will now read this to you. Now remember, this was supposed to happen last year. So the leaves start to fall and still your box has not been sent. It is still quite warm here in Iowa, so I cool my heels and watch your Alaskan adventure. I'm missing you and bingo nights, but I wipe my tears like any Disney princess would, or mouse. And I smile big. And then I work up the energy to get myself together and throw some lip gloss on. And so, November is on its way. Yes, a year. It was last year. So let's see what we got this week. I loved last week's stuff, and I ate every bit of that chocolate, just so you know. Okay. We have an energy blend of, oh, this looks good. Honey roasted peanuts, honey roasted sesame sticks, almonds, walnuts, and pecans. Very, very yummy. These will not last long, I can tell you that. This is my kind of snack. Ooh, it's even fairly healthy. It has 9 carbs, 2 fibers, and 5 proteins. This is a decent snack. Good job, good job, good job. Oh, and there's our lip gloss. So darn cute. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. And it's grape. It's grape scented lip gloss. Oh, I am loving this. I am loving this. I cannot wait to use that. A keychain full of little stars. I love keychains. I have a lot of keychains because we have keys. I don't even know what half of them go to. I truly don't. But we've got keys to the RV. We've got keys to the shed. We've got keys We got keys to everything. Keys to the mailbox, keys to the post office box. And I like to have them all on keychains so I can just say, grab the smiley keychain and go check the mail. I love it. I love keychains. What is this little thing? One magic towel expands in water. These are cute. I like these. Oh, and it's even heart-shaped. I like these. So that's Miss Minnie Mouse. There's a strawberry on there. I wonder if it's strawberry scented. That would be interested. And it is 11 inches by 11 inches. That's a decent size. It says towel, but my feeling is it's more washclothy, which will be very handy to travel with. And as you guys know, I've got some travel coming up. This will come in very handy for that. Ooh. Laser cut craft icons. Those are beautiful. They're wooden. There's 2 of each design. And of course they're leaves. I'm not sure. Is that a leaf on the bottom? Sort of a leafy kind of thing. I have no idea what I'm going to do with those, but I'm going to do something. Those are really, really pretty. I don't know, but I love them. So you guys give me some ideas because I don't know what to do with these. They're thin, you can see, because there's 2 of them in there, so you can see they're pretty thin. I don't know what to do. Laser cut craft icons. Let me know. Let me know what I do with these because they are really pretty, super pretty, and I need to use those. Give me some ideas. Give me some ideas. And check this out. A foldable fan. And I'll tell you what. I will tell you. No, it goes this way. Okay. I use these all the time. All the time. Because I get hot and I don't like air conditioning. So there's especially there's certain areas where I just want to sit outside and I like a little fan. So I call these church lady fans. I love these church lady fans. I use them. I do. And this one is just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. I throw these in my tote bag. Like if we're going to the lake or if we're going to the beach somewhere, if we're going down to the park. So a lot of times they have concerts in the park. They have music in the park. And in the evening, it's still kind of muggy and hot. Yep. This is me. You did good. You did good, Miss Amber. I love the fan. I need to know what to do with these. You guys got to give me some ideas. Those are awesome. Adorbs. Cannot wait to use this. I wonder if it's colored. All right, I got to know. I didn't think about that. I wonder if this is purple. Am I going to have purple lips? Of course, you know. That won't bother me in the least. I have to know. All right, how does this thing work? It's so cute, a unicorn. Okay, here's the little flippy thing on the bottom. Oh, you need like a little brush or something. Okay, now I need a little brush. Does this come out? Nope. So you need a little brush to put that on with. Because I don't think, now my finger won't fit in there. Nope, my big fat finger won't fit in there. So I will find a little brush. Because that's too cute not to use. Absolutely adorable. This is going with me on my trip. I like that a lot. Yes, 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 yes. Thank you. Thank you so much, Amber. And can't wait to see what you open. I hope you guys are enjoying this. Our little March Madness is what it turned into. Our March Madness Dollar Tree exchange. Let's see what they have at your Dollar Tree. Do you guys have any of these items at your Dollar Tree? I'm interested to know. Do they have this stuff at your dollar store? Again, I don't know, Dollar Tree, Dollar whatever, Dollarama. It's different everywhere. But I'm sure you've seen the snacks. I don't think I've seen any of these things there. Well, of course, keychains, but not necessarily that one. So, good job. Let me know. Let me know if you guys have seen any of these types of items at your dollar store. The same on her video. I want to know if the stuff that she received is anything that you have seen there as well. We'll see you guys next week. Please give this a thumbs up. Please like. And if you're enjoying the content, I'd appreciate it if you'd subscribe to both me and Amber. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.